workshop on translation of children's books was kicked off at the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal yesterday. National Book Trust India and Writers Forum Imphal jointly organized the workshop. Today on the second day, 17 renowned writers took part in the discussion on translating 20 children's books written in English in Meitei Mayek or script. Manipur Human Rights Commission Acting Chairperson Khaide Mani said that the Commission will recommend the authority concerned regarding the present problems faced by Moirang Police Station so that necessary measures can be taken up. He said this during an inspection visit today at Moirang Police Station under Bishnupur district. During the visit, it came into light that there were lack of proper lock-up systems for male and female, absence of separate males hall for male and female police personnel, lack of drinking water facilities, lack of official vehicles, inadequate number of manpower and ladies officer, and water lodging were the common problems. The Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) Government of Manipur has organized a 2-week short-term courses on basic of news reporting beginning February 17 last at Kasturba Girls High School, Babupara, Jiribam. In connection to this, many of the participants in the training program lauded DIPR for organizing such program and have opinionated over DIPR to conduct similar courses on other topics in days to come. More than 20,700 people have been arrested for violating the provision of Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 and entering Mizoram without valid inner line permit since 2015. According to media reports, a total of 5,53,321 ILPS were issued to outsiders during the same period. In December last year, the Mizoram government launched online ILP portal, which is the first of its kind in the state to ensure security. Sandalwood worth nearly Rs 25 crore were seized by a joint team of BSF personnel, Forest and Tripura State Police yesterday evening from Tripura capital Agartala. This is the first big seizure of sandalwood in the state. According to police, with strict vigil on illegal drug trade, the anti-socials of the state are now looking at forest products such as sandalwood to mint money. According to media reports, the team raided a storehouse of tobacco company located at Badharghat. In view of the evolving situation related to COVID-19 being reported from other countries, the Union Health Ministry today issued an additional travel advisory stating that Indians should refrain from non-essential travel to Republic of Korea, South Korea, Iran and Italy. According to reports, people coming from Republic of Korea, Iran and Italy or having such travel history since 10 February 2020 may be quarantined for 14 days on arrival to India.